హాయ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్, నమస్తే, వెల్కమ్ బ్యాక్ అండి. ఈరోజైతే కనుక మనం మిక్మ్యాక్ కలెక్షన్స్ నుంచి చూడబోతున్నటువంటి కుర్తీ కలెక్షన్స్ అయితే అసలు సూపర్గా ఉండబోతున్నాయండి. అన్నీ కూడా మిల్ వాష్ అయితే కనుక చేసి చాలా చక్కగా ఇంటర్లాక్ స్టిచ్చింగ్తో LMXL, XXL అలాగే కొన్నిట్లో మనకి XXL వరకు కూడా సైజెస్ అనేది అవైలబిలిటీతో ఉన్నాయి. స్టార్టింగ్ మీకు 500 రూపీస్ నుంచి మంచి క్వాలిటీ కలెక్షన్ అయితే కనుక ఇక్కడ స్టార్ట్ అవుతుందండి. అలాగే దసరా దీపావళి బేస్ చేసుకుని 500 రూపీస్ మనకి కుర్తీ ఎలాగో ఉంది కాబట్టి దానికి మనకి కాంప్లిమెంటరీ గిఫ్ట్స్ కూడా ఇస్తున్నారు. సో మీరు ఒకటి తీసుకున్నా, రెండు తీసుకున్నా, మూడు తీసుకున్నా మీకు చక్కగా దాన్ని అంటే వాల్యూ ప్రకారంగా అయితే కనుక మనం కొనే దాన్ని బట్టి మంచి మంచి గిఫ్ట్స్ అయితే కనుక స్టోర్ నుంచి అవైలబుల్గా ఉన్నాయి. సరస్ సిటీ క్యాపిటల్ మాల్ అనమాట మనకి స్టోర్ వచ్చేసి. మీరు గూగుల్ మ్యాప్లో లొకేషన్ పెట్టుకుని కూడా వెళ్ళిపోవచ్చు. 4th ఫ్లోర్లో ఉన్నామండి. లేదు అంటే కనుక డిస్క్రిప్షన్లో అన్ని డీటెయిల్స్ ఉన్నాయి, కాంటాక్ట్ నెంబర్ కూడా ఇచ్చున్నాను.
Hello, good morning friends. My name is Kamal and you have reached a kurti shop. Our name is Micmac Collections. We are located at Sarat City Capital Mall on 4th floor. Alright, so today I'm going to show you amazing variety of kurtis, alright, at a wholesale price. So let's start the video. I would like to show you, variety, different kind of variety. See, this is one of the beautiful articles we have. If you see this, amazing variety, excellent quality. कपड़ा बहुत अच्छा है. Now the best part is these are all mill washing, so there will be no color fade, no shrinkage, because ये कपड़ा धोते हैं उसके बाद स्टिच होता है. So it comes directly from the manufacturing unit and we give direct benefit to our customers. So I'm going to share you the prices, because हमारे prices हैं 500 से start होते हैं. ये मार्केट में आपको 750, 850, 950 में जो भी प्राइजेस हैं, it's going to start at 500 rupees only. So it starts with 500. So हमारे पास है 500, 600, 750 till 1000 rupees. Okay, some are 1250 also. So I'm giving you the range bracket. Okay, now 500, 600 में आपको बहुत वैरायटी आएगी. So once you visit this place, 500 वाली कुर्तीज कम से कम minimum you are going to get it say 20 to 25 different variety of 500. 600 के 30 वैरायटी रहेंगे, 700, 750 के 30 variety रहेंगे. So you, as far as variety is concerned, you're going to get amazing variety, excellent quality. Again, this is mill washing, so there'll be no color fade, no shrinkage, because ये कपड़ा धोने के बाद ही stitch होता है. And this has interlock system also. That means कपड़ा फटने का डर नहीं, कुछ नहीं. They all are interlock. Okay. If you see these all are interlock with same thread and all. So you will not face any problem as far as the quality is concerned. We have thousands of very satisfied customers across Hyderabad, Secunderabad, जो हमारे पास on regular basis लेते हैं. I'll try and show you maximum variety of kurtis, alright, because these are all latest collection at a direct manufacturing price to our customer. Now इस कपड़ा है, इसमें cotton है, rayon है, alright, cotton silk है. So you get different variety of material, alright. Quality is excellent. Okay, now designing is beautiful. All latest designs you're going to get it. कपड़ा बहुत अच्छा है, इसका fall अच्छा है, and the kind of designing you see is beautiful designing with different color chart. All right, see, this is also one of the beautiful article. Okay, again it's based cotton based है, beautiful article है, excellent variety है at throwaway price. Now if I tell you price of this particular is going to cost you only 650 rupees. All right. Sizes you are going to get M, L, XL, XXL. We do have 3XL also, but in 3XL we have limited variety, but excellent stuff. Now this is ikat print, beautiful article, बहुत running article है हमारे पास. ये cotton है, बहुत अच्छा कपड़ा है, आप पहनोगे तो you will feel very comfortable, very comfortable article. The kind of buttons, these are the designer buttons, बहुत strong है, excellent quality है. See, this is also one of the articles. Now, ये कपड़ा हम लोग बहुत टाइम से बेच रहे हैं, and fast moving article. After wearing it looks very beautiful. We have a lot of employees who work in MNCs. They come on regular basis and buy from our place. This is a very old shop. We have been in this industry since last 10 years. In this mall we are here since last 4 years. Beautiful article, excellent quality, very durable. You will repeat here. Reason is because quality is excellent. This is all mill washing, so no color fade, no shrinkage, nothing. See the kind of print it is. Beautiful print, excellent work, beautiful article, and amazing price. Now this is going to cost you 600 rupees. 950 is MRP, 600 is an offer price. Okay, so so as far as prices are concerned, prices are rock bottom price. हमारा शॉप जो है वो मॉल में है, लेकिन the kind of pricing is the wholesale price, because we get directly from the manufacturer and we give direct benefit to a customer. I'm focusing more on showing you the variety. ये देखो, ये फ्रॉक मॉडल है, बहुत ही अच्छा है, इसका फॉल ब्यूटीफुल है, ये इसके प्रिंट, इसका work, and see this is again with belt. Okay, fall is excellent. See this print, this beautiful article. This is again cotton. आप on regular basis पे पहन सकते हैं. We have lot of customers, thousands of very satisfied customers across Hyderabad, Secunderabad. ये हाउस होल्ड लेडीज पहनती है, एम्प्लॉयज, बहुत एम्प्लॉयज हमारे पास हैं, क्योंकि उनको ऑफिस वेयर के लिए ऐसे कुर्तीज चाहिए जो ड्यूरेबल रहे, comfortable रहे. So these are durable, these are comfortable, look wise excellent. Some people they say like we wear in the party also, as a party wear also. There are certain, it looks very rich, बहुत rich लगते हैं, right? See, this is the same kind but a different print. Beautiful, right? This is also similar kind but totally different print है. आगे डिजाइनिंग अलग है, कपड़ा ब्यूटीफुल है. अगेन आई वुड लाइक टू रिपीट दैट दिस इज ऑल मिल वॉशिंग, so there will be no color fade, no shrinkage, nothing, because ये कपड़ा धोते हैं पहले, उसके बाद स्टिच होता है. सो आपको क्वालिटी का कोई भी इश्यू नहीं आएगा. हमारे पास रिपीट कस्टमर्स बहुत है. सी दिस इज पॉकेट, ओके, ब्यूटीफुल. यू कैन कीप सेल फोन, कैश. It's very comfortable, very very comfortable after wearing. Even after wash it stays the same. Quality बहुत ही बेहतरीन है. See, this is also very soft cloth, बहुत beautiful कपड़ा है, बहुत comfortable है. See the kind of designing it is. I'm going to show you maximum variety of kurtis, prints. तो आपको clear picture मिलेगा कितनी variety हमारे पास है और कितनी आ सकती है. Now see, this is going to cost you only 500 rupees. कपड़ा बहुत अच्छा है, बेहतरीन कपड़ा है. Alright, so and the best part is because Dasera is on, ऊपर दशहरा है, दिवाली है, so we have come up with a gift for customer. With every kurti you get a gift. With every kurti you are going to get a gift. Alright, and so that will be surprise for you when you visit this place. You are going to get a piece of jewelry with every kurti you buy. You are going to get a beautiful bracelet which we are going to give you with every kurti. 2 kurti लिए तो 2, 3 लिए तो 3. This is for this festival. Okay, see, this is also one of the beautiful articles. Excellent variety, beautiful article. और ये आपको बड़े बड़े शोरूम्स में बहुत महंगे मिलने वाले हैं. As you're getting directly from the manufacturer, so customer को full benefit है price की and quality की. See, this is also elegant color. This you can use as a office wear. You can use as a party wear also. कोई function वगैरह में पहनना है तो भी पहन सकते हैं. This is again casual, beautiful है, बहुत बेहतरीन variety है. This is again cotton for regular wear. आप regular wear पहनिए. Again this is mill washing, mill processing, so there will be no color fade, no shrinkage, nothing, because कपड़ा धोने के बाद हम लोग stitch करते हैं. Okay. And the sizes are concerned, we have M, L, XL, double XL, we have 3XL also. Alright, 3XL में limited variety मिलेगी, but same quality मिलने वाली है आपको. बहुत ही बेहतरीन, बहुत ही excellent quality. See, foil printing है. ये foil printing जाता नहीं है because we use special solution which helps to retain this kind of print. Okay, so कोई complaint नहीं, आज तक कोई complaint नहीं आती कि हमारे घर में भी लेडीज जो है वो हमारे कुर्ती पहनते हैं. सो देयर इज नो प्रॉब्लम एज फार एज क्वालिटी इज कंसर्न. इट्स ऑल ट्राइड एंड टेस्टेड एंड वी आर हियर सिंस लास्ट 2019 से हमारा शॉप है यहाँ पे. thousands of customers we have. Excellent quality, बेहतरीन वैरायटी. अगेन इंटरलॉक सिस्टम है, सो कपड़ा फटेगा नहीं. there will be no issue as far as quality is concerned. guaranteed quality है, बहुत ही बेहतरीन वैरायटी है, ब्यूटीफul article है. denim में we have selective ones, so if you can see the variety, beautiful variety है, beautiful, excellent variety है. okay, इसमें हमारे पास 5 to 6 different variety मिलने वाला है. denim original you don't get it everywhere actually. you get normal cotton stuff outside. this is denim original one, excellent. वो भी 6 से 8 डिफरेंट वैरायटी आपको मिल रहा है. See this. This is light denim. See the kind of work it is. See ये बहुत बहुत ही बेहतरीन वैरायटी है, बहुत अच्छी क्वालिटी है. मतलब ये खराब नहीं होता है धोने में. आप वॉशिंग मशीन में भी वॉश कर सकते हो, इवन नॉर्मल हैंड वॉश भी आप कर सकते हो. देयर विल बी नो इशू एट ऑल. दिस इज ऑल्सो वन ऑफ द ब्यूटिफुल आर्टिकल्स. ओके, सी दिस इज ऑल्सो फास्ट मूविंग आर्टिकल, रनिंग आर्टिकल. कभी कभी क्या साइज शॉर्ट हो जाता है एंड डेनिम इट डजंट कम सो फ्रीक्वेंट. मिलता है, फिर कभी कभी नहीं भी मिलता है, क्योंकि ये क्वालिटी बहुत ही बेहतरीन है, बहुत अच्छी वैरायटी है. ऑलराइट, सो I request you to visit our place. We are located at Sarat City Capital Mall. Okay. Now, if you move the camera here, you will find different variety of gowns, kurtis. अलग-अलग variety आपको मिलने वाला है. Apart from what I have showed you, this is all different variety you're going to get it. But I guarantee you, it will be less than market. कम से कम 30%, 40% less than market. Even these type of party wear also, gown, ये वो बहुत आपको रीजनेबल प्राइस में मिलेगा. मार्केट से आपको कम मिलने वाला है. रीजन इज वी गेट डायरेक्टली फ्रॉम द मैन्युफैक्चरर एंड देयर इज नो मिडल मैन इन बिटवीन, एंड वी गिव डायरेक्ट बेनिफिट टू आवर कस्टमर्स. ऑलराइट, एंड विथ एवरी 500, विथ एवरी कुर्ती यू आर गोइंग टू गेट इट द पीस ऑफ ज्वेलरी. दैट विल बी अ ब्रेसलेट विथ एवरी. दिस इज फॉर दिस सीजन बिकॉज दशहरा इज ऑन, दिवाली इज ऑन. सो प्लीज डू विजिट एट मिकमैक कलेक्शंस. वी आर लोकेटेड ऑन 4th floor, AMB Mall. Now we are located opposite Kottagoda Chaurasta. बहुत बड़ा मॉल है, सरत सिटी कैपिटल मॉल. 4th floor पे आ जाइए. मिकमैक कलेक्शंस, that's a kurti shop. So please do come. Thank you so much.